on back. Come on. What's up, YouTube? Big C, Chucky Boy Customs. Welcome back. So, like I said, we had a project coming up, and I think y'all gonna dig it. So, check it out. Boom! Look at that, boy. Tell them what it is.
A race car.
A race car. What kind of race car?
A red race car.
A drift car.
A drift car. Let me show. Open the door, Daddy.
Okay.
Cause I want to show what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. Okay, you ready?
Here we go.
Get your Vanna White on. Look at that, boy.
Go even closer.
Give him a thumbs up.
Get them even closer so they can see.
Yeah, but give him a thumbs up. Yeah.
Yeah. Look.
Look at that.
Broken.
The steering wheel's broken. All right. Watch out.
Yep. And
All right. Well, y'all remember Cody?
that's
Number 57. This is his race car. And tell the people what we doing.
Twin turbos.
Twin Turbskis. Can't wait. So, now that the cat's out the bag, we're about to get on it. So, we'll come back in a little minute. All right, real quick, I forgot to mention in the last clip. What we have right here is a 2007 Nissan 350Z with the 3.7, 3.5 HR. And it is the big motor, right?
It's the motor that everyone wants
Yeah.
compared to the DE.
And we got it. And it's getting twin Turbskis. Yeah. So right now I'm about to put it on some stands. Got that low profile because stance. You know what I'm saying? But anywho. Alright, we're gonna put it on stands and get back at y'all. Got this cool blower you can blow on us.
My dad got one.
Thanks, Mom.
Beats by Escort.
Alright, so far what we got, we disconnected the intake, got the boxes out on both sides, got the intake tubes out, and we got the, what's that, the PCV,
Yeah, PCV valve.
PCV valve and cross pipe, little shaw is taken out. The bumper, was it the push bar, crash bar you call it?
Yeah.
That's taken off, and the strut bar. We unhooked the fuel pump and That's pretty much all we got today. We started off late though,
Yep.
so it's not too bad. And
And we got things to do.
yeah, we got things to do. So we're gonna get on this in between stuff. But it's coming, and we're gonna get it. So that's gonna be it for this video. Just a short little video, but we are twin turbo in a 350Z, and Mir decides to pull up on his little crotch rocket. But anyway, so that's the video. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment, leave us a comment, tell us what you think about this project, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.